In this video, I'll show you how to download the SportsBet app on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, so what you want to do is head over to your Player App Store, depending what mobile phone you're using. So on my case, I've got a Samsung S24, so I'm going to open up the Play Store. And now when it says search apps and games, I'm going to type in SportsBet. Click now. And then you'll see SportsBet here, SB logo. It's got over 1 million downloads and 20k reviews. Go ahead and click on install. Let that download and install. So I'll pause this video and get back to you once that is done. All right, that's been downloaded onto my mobile device. Now from here, click on open. Now let's open up the app. And that's how you download and install SportsBet on your mobile device. And if you need to create an account, you can create an account by clicking at the top here, join, or if you've got an account, just simply log in.